Hello and welcome back. Before we get started, just a quick reminder to please do like and subscribe and share with anyone else you think might enjoy our content. Looks like today we're doing number 230. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 5, no help here. 2, 5, 8, and no help here. 2, 5, 8. If we look at this row, we're missing 8 and 9, and I don't see any help. 8, 9, 8, 9. For this bottom row, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. No help here. 3, 6, 8. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 8. And no help here. 3, 6, 8. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 2 here and a 9 here. So 1, 7. We've got a 1 and 7 here. So 2, 9. A 1 and 2 here. So 7, 9. But with that 1, 2, and this 9, that means this is our 7. So that would make this our 1. And this our 9 and our 2. That 9 makes us our 8, 9. We can get rid of this 8 here. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this column, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 4 and 7 here, so this is our 9. 4 here, so 7, 4. For this box now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. And for this box then, we're missing 3 and 6. All right, if we look at this row, we're missing 2, 6, 7, and 8. Got a 2 here and an 8 here. So 6, 7, 2 here, and the 8, 6, 7. 7 here. So 2, 6, 8. 6 and 8 here. So 2, 7. We look at this box, we're missing 1, 3, 6, and 8. No help here. 1, 3, 6, 8. We've got an 8 here. So 1, 3, 6. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 5, 6, 7. No help here. 1, 5, 6, 7. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 6, 7. 7 here, so 1, 5, 6. And a 1 here, so 5, 6, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got a 1 and 4 here, so this is our 6. A 1 here, so 4, 1. Let's see if that helps us out at all. Well, that 1 and 6 means this is our 5. And the 5 and 6 means this is our 7. can get rid of that 5, that 7, that 7. We can get rid of this 5. All right. To finish out this box, we're missing a 2. So that means we can get rid of this 2. For this row now, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 5 and 7 here, so this is our 8. A 5 here, so 7, 5. That 7 makes this our 6, 7. So that 6 makes this our 1. And that 1 would make this our 6. 1 and 6 here makes this our 3. That 3 and that 6 would make this our 8. So this is our 6 and our 1. This 3 makes this our 6, 3. All right. For this column now, we're missing a 3. For this column, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. And to finish out this box, we're missing a 9. Oh, the 7 would make this our 2, and the 2 and 6 makes this our 8. That 2 makes this our 5. That 8 makes this our 2, so this is our 8. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here. So 6, 3. Finish out this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 and 7 here. So this is our 4, 7 here. So 5 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.